Welcome to Drive with Didi, your local prairie tour guide. Today I'm going to take you on the tour of Acura TLX with tech package on it. Before we start our video, I have an announcement to make about our sponsor. So you guys are my sponsor, so please make sure you give it a thumbs up to this video, subscribe to my channel. With that on the table, let's get this tour rolling. So starting here at the front, under the hood you will find 2-liter 4-cylinder turbo engine which produces 272 horsepower, 280 pound-feet of torque. 22 on the city and 29 on the highway. That's the gas mileage for this Acura TLX. For the 2021 year, this is going to be a little wider, little shorter, and you will find more space inside the Acura TLX. Let's start here. This is the most beautiful part of Acura TLX. The diamond shaped grille looks really aggressive on the road, as if it is running with the speed of the wind. That's what I mean to say. You got your all Acura safety sensors right there, and that grille is wrapped in a chrome material. This hood is completely workable, so lots of airflow from here and from the grille as well to keep the radiator cool when you are going with the high speed. All the safety sensors are located in the front. You will see all those small dots right there. The light assembly is completely LED. There is no fog light, so your high beam, low beam and daytime running light is completely LED. This part is a gloss black material, rest all the material is a flat black material. Beautiful look from the front profile for our Acura. One more thing which I want to show here is the line. The line which starts from the hood goes up all the way on top as well. I've never seen a designer doing that in any of the car, but this Acura has it. And also, just to give you an idea, this line align with the shark fin antenna which is in the back. That's really beautiful. When you look, see, we can see it here. That's an amazing. So when I looked at this car, I really liked it, the way they have designed it. So front looks really beautiful. A lot to talk about the front. Let's move on the side of the vehicle now. So starting here on the side, you can see that Acura logo integrated in a light. That is really neat feature. So going here on the wheel, these are 19-inch sparkly silver wheels. They're 255 on the width, 40 on the sidewall, and inch, that is 19. Let's move on to the mirror. So this mirror has a dual tone material. You can see top part is a flat black material, and the bottom, whatever color you choose, you will get into that color. You got LED turn indicator located into here, as well as your blind spot monitoring is located in the mirror as well. For the key, you get smart key. So if you push here, the car will lock, and if you put your hand behind it, the car will unlock simply, as long as you have the key in your pocket. B and C pillar are blacked out. The windows are wrapped into a chrome material, gives it really nice look. You got your fuel tank on the driver's side, and again that 19-inch sparkly silver wheels. A beautiful Acura from side profile. So starting here at the back, all the light assembly is LED here in our Acura. You can have a look at that LED light assembly. Looks really beautiful. You got three shapes here. You can call it a 3-layer or a 3-dimensional layer. See, 1, 2 and 3 layers. Also their lights are stacked up against each other to give it a beautiful look for that Acura TLX. The button you see here is to open the trunk, which I'll show you in a minute. A clever use of that Acura logo to hide the backup camera. And as we move down, you see these 4 dots. Those are our backup sensor. We got 2 exhaust tips right here. Those are functional exhaust tip. I can show you. That's how the exhaust look, and we got a reflector right there. That's how the Acura looks from the back profile. The thing which I would really like to mention here is the clean back. Usually there are some camera holes. You will see a button to open a trunk. It's all in the back side, but for this Acura TLX, the way they have done the design, it's so nice and clean. You barely see any unwanted parts in our Acura TLX. So now that we have checked the exterior of the car, let's hop into it and check the beauty of this car from inside. So starting here at the trunk, to open the trunk, as I said earlier, you can press this button and you can open the trunk, or you can long press this button on your key fob and the trunk will open. You got 13 cubic feet of space in here. Also, there are clever use of a space in here as well. So when you lift the cover, you can see you get more storage space. Otherwise, there is nothing special in this trunk. There are no tie down hooks or any charging outlet here. The seats are 60-40 split. For the buttons are right there. You can pull this knob and you can fold the seats. So this will give you an idea as when you fold the seats how much space you have. As per my knowledge, there is no spare tire into it, but you get an inflator kit right here. Also, if you lift this portion, the battery is located down here. That is really clever feature. The reason behind that is to distribute the weight, so that way this gives this Acura TLX a better driving dynamics. Let me close it. Now let's close the trunk and we'll check the space for the second row. So starting here at the door, this is a leather trim. This is soft touch material right here. You got your window controls for the second passenger. This is a soft touch material right here, and you get one bottle holder. That's pretty much one of the speaker out of the 13 speaker sound system which you get in this Acura. And the seats looks really comfortable. Let me hop into it and I'll show you the comfort for the second row passenger now. So now I'm inside here. You can see I got lots of leg room. Because of this indentation, my legs are really comfortable. I'm not able to stretch my legs, but my feet are nice and flat and I can definitely sit into a comfortable position. I got a little bit of headroom right there. I can be comfortable for long ride in this Acura. So that's pretty much about the comfort of the seat. I got one grab handle right here. 4 passengers have 4 grab handle. The one in the middle has to sacrifice for 2 things: the light, the reading light, also the hump. They have to sacrifice if they sit in the middle position. That is not going to be the comfortable position if you are taking a ride in the back seat of this Acura TLX. Here you get one armrest with 2 cup holders. Let me show you. You can easily fit 2 coffee cups in here and can have a comfortable ride. Also, there is a small slot, so if you want to keep some snacks for go, or you can use this to hold a cell phone right here. That's pretty much about the cups. Let me put this back. Material quality wise, the quality of this leather is beautiful. This does give a premium look for the leather. Also, if you look here, the seats have got a little bit of curve just to give a little more support for your back portion. Overall, really good cabin. You get 2 pockets behind 2 seats and an air vent to control your temperature on those cold day or hot day, the way you like it. That's it about the second row. Now let's hop into the first row, but we'll start from the passenger side for the first row. So starting here at the passenger side door, the beautiful thing which I like is this brownish golden material on the door panel. Looks really premium. You got that one ELS Studio sound system speaker right here, and there is another one located under that. So this is the 13 speaker sound system with 1 subwoofer. You got one bottle holder here, some space for magazines if you want to read, your window controls and your door lock and lock controls. This is a leather material right here. This is a soft touch material. Also, this is a trim material. Looks like a plastic material right then. That's pretty much about the door panel. And moving on to the passenger seat. So you have 12-way adjustable passenger seat. You got lots of functionality right there. Just across the seat, you have little more space. You can store some stuff there, and you got one 12-volt outlet. Let's open the glove box. our Scotty box test to give you an idea as to how big is that glove box. Let me hop into that seat and I'll show you the comfort for that seat now. The first impression which I get after sitting in this seat is the most comfortable seat I've ever been into any vehicle. I have really nice lumbar support. The quality of the seat material is so good that I'm feeling relaxed. The cabin feeling is also really beautiful, which I get from here. Also, the adjustability for the seat is perfect. This is 12-way adjustable seat. That's pretty much about this passenger seat. Now it's time to go into the next seat and discover the main beauty and the impression of this car. Let's hop into the driver's seat and I'll see you there. Once the car is locked, if you want to get in, just get your hand here. The car will open for you. Check the first impression. This gives me a sense of premium luxury beauty in this car. It's a just amazing car and amazing looks right here. So let's start here at the door. We have that same golden brownish color material here. You get 2 seats adjustment, another speaker, one more speaker right down there. If you ever want to open the trunk while sitting in your car seat, you got few controls here. So your window controls, lock, unlock, and mirror controls are located right here. The driver's seat also has a 12-way adjustable power seat. Let's hop into that seat and start discovering this car. So as soon as you are in the car, you are greeted by that nice Acura logo right there. It's asking me to fasten the seat belt. I'll do that right away. Let's start with the steering. So on the steering, you got your volume controls on the right hand side and all the safety feature on the left hand side. The heated steering wheel is nicely located on the steering. I really like it when they have it on the steering. That way you don't have to look here and there for all those heated seat button. This is really comfortable. Turn it on whenever you want, turn it off whenever you want. So starting here on the side, you got your Acura watch safety system right here. The button you can use to turn it on and off. Your parking sensors, your traction on and off, your electronic parking brake. The best part about this brake, to activate it, you have to pull the knob rather than pushing the knob. This leather wrap heated steering wheel, this is heated throughout, just to give you an idea. This button you see here, you can turn on and off. This is really nice feature to have it on the car. You can access your music right from here. You can turn it on or off. That's like a mute button. That will shut the whole music system right away. Your heated steering wheel button, the heated steering system is on right now, and I can tell you that the heated steering wheel, this whole steering wheel is heated. So you got your volume control, your phone control right here, and all your safety features are located on the left hand side of the car. So moving into the middle, you got 10 inches screen, and that's not the touch screen. To control the screen, you can use it through this access pad. I just had this car and I had just a bit of difficulty accessing the apps. So the good part is the left hand side corner will be the left hand side corner of the screen. As you move on the right, extreme right corner, extreme left bottom corner, you got your volume knob here, and I think this is for skipping track, forward or backward. Your HVAC system under the screen, so you can have control for all your HVAC system. You also got cold seats right here. Oh, I'm sorry, those are not the cold seats, I'm so sorry. That's for the auto. You got heated seats. Your dynamic mode, you can select all the modes for your, see, as you move the modes, sports, comfort, normal. The graphics will also change. You can use this button to toggle. So your gear, parking, reverse, neutral, drive and smart. Your brake hold, auto on and off, you can use this button to turn on and off. So you can rest your hand while driving the car and access the trackpad, and it's really easy to access your gear as well. So everything, as if it gives a fall effect, like a cascading effect, like everything is in place together. You got cell phone charging here, 2 nice size bottle holder. When you open this, you get 2 USB charger, 1 auxiliary port, and also 1 12-volt outlet. This is really comfortable. Like, let's do our box test. That much space do you have here. You got one neat LED light right here. That's pretty much about this beautiful looking Acura TLX with tech package. Here you got one sunglass holder, controls for your moonroof are right here. Also you got some light controls here. Let me turn the lights on so you can see these are all LED lights. Let's turn it off. Sun visor, you got regular lights on the sun visor, it's not LED. Sun visor has extension, so that's really neat feature. You got auto dimming mirror right there. D looking handsome, huh? Always. And that's the moonroof for the car. Now it's time to take this beast on the road. So overall feeling in the cabin is really perfect, and that all-wheel drive, see, you just have to push a paddle and the car just picks up. This is 2-liter turbo engine. SH all-wheel drive, whenever you need, it can put that 70% of the power to the rear wheel. That way you will not feel any problem when you are taking the speed. No rolling or no rumble. See, this is so good. Plus, whenever needed, that SHAW can give the power to the sides as well, so it will take the power wherever it is needed. Actually, this auto button on the seat heating, what it's doing is it's sensing if the seat is really hot or seat is really cold, and that way it's adjusting the temperature for the seat. That way I'm not too hot or I'm neither too cold. That's what it's doing. This 10-speed automatic transmission has no issue. So the shift is so smooth. I'm not even feeling that the gears are shifting, and it's really, really nice when I'm driving. Let me slow down because the road speed is 70. It's giving me the warning on the left hand side corner. You can see it matches the road speed. It's really nice. I'm saying it again and again, the ride is really, really comfortable in this Acura. See that blind spot monitoring system which came right there. Let's check if it gives any beep when the car is in my blind spot monitoring. Let me slow down a bit. We'll see the blind spot light will turn on. Yeah, you can get a beep as well as the blink. So that's what I expect from this well-established Acura brand. Now, using this dynamic mode, I'm going to put my car into a sports mode. So the now car is into a sports mode. Let's see what difference does it make. Definitely it makes a difference in the suspension as well as the handling of the car. So we'll see. I'm at the red light right now. As soon as the light turns green, we'll take off. Let's go. is quite impressive. I can feel the change. Changes the dash as well to give it more sportier feeling in this Acura TLX. The speed limit also changes. You can see it in the corner. The speed limit for the road is 60. So the cameras right behind the mirror are doing that work for me. That way I'm always aware as to what's the road speed rather than speeding on the road. Let's do the backup camera test right here. Let me turn the music off. Put this car into reverse. So to put it into reverse, just press this. The car will go into the reverse and look at the backup camera. That is so nice and crisp backup camera. You also got the guiding lines right there. That way you know which spot you are parking. Even if the spot is going to be really tight, you can easily check it. Also with this trackpad, you can change the view of the camera. You can also go closer, wider. I'm just trying to, yeah, those are the three you can get. Also, let's check this one. That will make your camera little brighter. That's really neat feature into the backup camera of this car. Shut the engine off now and we'll conclude our review right here. So this newly redesigned 2021 Acura TLX is really beautiful car in my opinion. You decide for yourself. The obvious competition, let's talk about them here. The BMW 3 Series, Audi A4, Mercedes-Benz C-Class, also the new kid in the town, Genesis G70. Those are all the competition for this one. So if you like the video, please make sure you give it a thumbs up, subscribe and leave a comment in the comment box. Thank you so much for watching. Your Didi signing off.